Looking at an application question, we're given that the period t of a pendulum is the time it takes the pendulum to complete one swing from left to right and back. For a pendulum near the surface of the Earth, t is equal to 2 pi times the square root of L over 32. T is measured in seconds, and L is the length of the pendulum in feet. So find the length of the pendulum that has a period of 4 seconds, rounded to the nearest tenth of a foot. So we need to find the value of L. We're given T. So we start out straight away. We already know that we can express this as 4 equals 2 pi times the square root of L over 32. We're going to divide both sides by 2 pi. That's going to give us, well, 4 over 2 is 2. So we're going to be left with 2 over pi equaling the square root of L over 32. Now we're going to use our inverse operation of square root and square both sides. That's going to give us 4 over pi squared. And that's going to cancel out the square root, leaving us with L over 32. Now, I could cross multiply, but in this case, I don't need to. I just need to eliminate the L. So I'm going to eliminate the 32. So I'm going to multiply both sides times 32. So taking you back down here, I'm going to have that L now is equal to, well, 32 times 4 is 128. And the pi squared remains. Then do a little bit of calculations with your calculator. You're going to end up with a result that's somewhere around 12.96 or 12.98, something like that. But it wants us to round the answer to the nearest tenth of a foot. And it forces us, in this case, to state the answer as 13 feet.